Telling a true story with AI video can be a slow and complex process, especially when you have to combine a lot of different tools and workflows. I'm going to show you a simpler and faster workflow to turn AI videos into full episodes of series. You won't need to use templates or complex prompting, but you will still get consistent characters, environments and props, plus an AI assistant writer to help you with the whole process, all inside one platform. To show exactly how that works, this video is sponsored by Topview AI. We're going to use their Drama Studio today, and I'm going to walk you through the exact workflow I used to create a 40-second short AI film, which I'll be showing you in full later in the video. Here we are inside Topview AI. The first thing we want to do is go to the left side and select Drama Studio. Now that we're inside Drama Studio, we have a few ways to start. You can either write a short description for a story you want to create, or you can upload your own script. You can also simply paste your script directly into the text box. I'm going to take my script and paste it right in. It can be anything, just to start with. After that, we want to select either single episode or series. In this case, I will choose single episode. Next, click the menu to select which writer assistant you want to use. You can choose between a professional writer, a top tier writer, and an assistant writer. The main differences here is the cost and efficiency. A 3x writer will cost more, but it will provide better results. The top tier writer will be even better, but it will cost even more. I will just select the professional writer and then press generate. Now the software will load and ask us to select which visual style we want. You can click to show more and see all the available styles. There are a bunch of styles, like theoretical cinematic, modern mix of drama, and French art house, and so on. I will select the first one, and if you scroll down you can see the aspect ratio settings. It can be 9:16 for short form content or 16:9. I will choose 16:9. Next, set your episode duration to either manual or automatic. You can adjust the exact seconds you want here. Then set your language and ages. I'll set for all ages. You can also select auto review and optimize and then confirm and start. I will show you how I did this for my own project. This is what I got after setting the script. It gives us a detailed target audience, broad ages, universal emotion, genre. Our genre is listed as you can see here. It was very accurate in describing the script. The AI generated a good outlier and gave me a first outline of the whole thing. The best part is that everything here is highly controllable and you can change anything. There is an outline of the whole project, and if you look at the top, there are tags for the night, day, interior, exterior. It lists the specific environment and the two characters that will be talking. We can change many things here, like the character's dialogue. For example, if a line says wasn't done, we can add the word yet, or you can also remove any dialogue you do not want. Going back to the main menu, it says the project has one episode, 45 seconds, 4 characters, and 6 environments. This is not actually accurate for my story, as I only had 3 characters and 2 environments. So let's go to the character tab and see the generated characters I made. If you want to change something, you just scroll down to the chat box. I prompted the AI to generate 3 realistic characters, as you can see in the chat. I told it to regenerate all 3 characters and fill in the descriptions. I also told it the props should be a guitar and a business card. You're basically chatting with an AI writer assistant and changing things live. For example, I asked it to change the business card the name to say Rai Holden instead of Rogan. I told it to make the business card realistic and played around with the design of it. If you want to change a specific character, okay, let me scroll full down. And I've asked the assistant to change the character Iris Moro to be a female in her 20s. This image generation costs 0.8 credits, so just send a prompt and I'll update the character to be female. If you want to edit an already generated character like Ali Morris, just press generate to iterate the look. I regenerated my original character a few times. I just told the AI to remove one detail and add another. Once it's finished, I click generate image. The character will generate and you can change whatever you want from there. Now, let's move on to the environments. It is the exact same process. We can change any environment to anything by typing in the chat. If AI gives you too many environments, just click delete to remove the one that you do not want. The third tab is for our props, which are the business card and the guitar. You can change those by typing to the AI writer assistant just like we did for the environments. When you're done generating environments, characters and props, go back and enter the video production menu. Now it will give you a video prompts. Because I'm picking this project up after a day, I need to regenerate these prompts. There is a bug I noticed when the production does not continue where I left it with the same prompts. You just need to regenerate the prompts by clicking a button or other reference images when you go back into the video production menu. Hopefully that gets patched. But next, down at the bottom, you can select your duration and resolution. Make sure you select Seedance 2.0 model. You can choose your generation count and choose if you want to upscale the video. When everything is tagged and ready, you can manually add references or tags right here. You can even add references that were not generated inside Topview. If you have any external characters you want to add, just upload them. When everything is set, click generate video. We will need to wait about 7 minutes for this generation. Once that is done, you can simply generate all the videos in your sequence. The really cool thing here is the continue video feature. Click on the last clip in a sequence and select continue video. It will reference the video and seamlessly continue the action on the last set. Just press generate to let it run. Once all 3 generations are done, click the export button. You have the option to export this directly stitched as a merged video, but I chose to download them as sliced scenes. That way, I could easily cut out the scenes I didn't like and clean up any Seedance errors in my editor. I just select the option to remove the watermark and hit start export. So now everything is ready to go, but before I show you the final 40-second film, if you want to try this exact workflow for yourself, click the first link in the description to test out Topview Drama Studio. Let's take a look at the final result.
Pack it up, last train's boarding.
Wasn't done.
You never are. You didn't get to finish. Doesn't matter. Looked like it did. What do you want? Play me something. Just one. That was the one.
There is one more thing I want to mention about how I made this video. To create the background music, go over to the left menu and select the audio tab. From there, click on the AI music and you can choose between a few options, but I chose the AI Minimax Music 2.6 model for my generation. You can read the exact prompt I use on the right side of the screen. You can use this exact method to create and add your own custom music directly inside the same platform. Also, Topview AI frequently runs promotions like the one you see on the screen right now. You can give it a try by going to the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.